Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. Welcome to Mastering Fraction Lesson 6, where we are going to work with addition of fraction with different denominator. Let's straight go to question number 1. We have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. We have different denominator. So what we are going to do, we are going to find the LCM of 2 and 3. Let's find the LCM of 2 and 3. It goes by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 3 divided by 2 is 3. It goes by 3. Here we get 1. Here we're going to get 1. LCM is going to be 2 multiplied by 3, which we get 6. The LCM equal to 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 1, 3. Plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. We are going to add 3 plus 2. We get 5 out of 6. Let's do question number 2. We have 5 over 12 plus 2 over 3. We are going to find the LCM of 12 and 3, which is going to be 12. LCM 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 1 multiplied by 5, we get 5. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 2, 8. 5 plus 8, get 13 over 12. But 13 over 12 is improper fraction, so I'm going to change it into mixed number, which is going to be 1 over 12, from which 12 multiplied by 1, we get 12 plus 1, we get 13 over 12. Let's do question number 3. We have 1 over 6 plus 3 over 8. So we are going to find the LCM of 6 and 8. LCM equal to 24. 24 divided by 6, we get 4. 4 times 1, we get 4. Plus 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 3, we get 9. 4 plus 9, we'll get 13 out of 24. Let's do question number 4. We have 5 over 8 plus 1 over 3. We will find the LCM of 8 and 3. The LCM is equal to 24. 24 divided by 8, 3. 3 times 5, it is 15. Plus 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 times 1, we get 8. 15 plus 8, we are going to get 23 over 24. Let's do question number 5. We have 3 over 5 plus 1 over 4. We'll find the LCM of 5 and 4, which is going to be 20. LCM 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 3, we get 12. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 1, get 5. 12 plus 5, we'll get 17 over 20. Let's do question number 6. We have 2 over 9 plus 1 over 27. We'll find the LCM of 9 and 27. The LCM is 27. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 3 times 2, we get 6. 27 divided by 27 is 1. 1 times 1, we get 1. 6 plus 1, we're going to get 7 over 27. Let's do question number 7. We have 3 over 4 plus 1 over 16. We are going to find the LCM of 4 and 16. The LCM is 16. 16 divided by 4, we get 4. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 16 divided by 16 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1, get 1. 12 plus 1 will get 13 over 16. Let's do the last question, question number 8. 3 over 7 plus 1 over 28. We'll find the LCM of 7 and 28. The LCM is 28. 28 divided by 7, it is 4. 4 times 3, we got 12. 28 divided by 28, we get 1. 1 multiplied by 1, we're going to get 1. 12 plus 1, we got 13 out of 28. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.